There are many ways to buy cryptocurrencies. The first thing you'll need to do is convert your fiat currency into a cryptocurrency. Then you can choose to either hold it, trade it for other cryptocurrencies, or lend it and earn interest. By the way, you can learn more about it in Binance Academy's crypto trading courses, so don't forget to check that out. For this module, we will take a look at the two main types of cryptocurrency exchanges: centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. You might find the concept of a centralized exchange a bit confusing, since cryptocurrencies are often referred to as decentralized. The idea of centralized crypto exchanges refers to the use of a middleman to help conduct transactions. Buyers and sellers trust this third party to handle their assets. So the way the exchanges work is centralized and requires trust in a third party. In centralized exchanges, users deposit their fiat money or cryptocurrency to the exchange and trade within its internal systems. Users' crypto is held in custody by the exchange, but it should be fairly easy to withdraw funds and keep them in your own wallet if you want to. The centralized exchanges operate as a middleman to facilitate the completion of transactions. The best centralized crypto exchanges provide a high level of security to users. For example, because cryptocurrencies are often stored in digital wallets, users can lose their money if they forget their keys. A centralized exchange won't let this happen, as it safeguards the holdings on behalf of users. Moreover, centralized exchanges generally will ensure the safe completion of transactions. Because of this convenience and security, some users might prefer keeping their funds on centralized exchanges, particularly if they trade regularly or are new to crypto. But there are some risks to centralized exchanges. They can be hacked, or the operating entity could face financial difficulties. In both cases, user funds might be at risk. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges operate very differently. There are no custodians involved in decentralized exchanges. In fact, we can refer to decentralized exchanges as non-custodial exchanges. They cut out the middleman and operate in a trustless environment. You can also think of them as peer-to-peer exchanges, where transactions are done between users directly and entirely based on smart contracts, which are self-executing computer programs on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. Here's what happens when you trade on a decentralized exchange. Instead of depositing your funds to the exchange's wallet, you're trading directly from your own wallet. When a trade is executed, the transaction is completed directly on the blockchain using smart contracts. Since there's no entity acting as a custodian, some consider decentralized exchanges a better choice than centralized exchanges. Another upside is that most decentralized exchanges don't require you to provide any personal information other than a blockchain wallet address, offering a higher degree of privacy. But using decentralized exchanges requires taking custody of your own funds and usually a decent amount of technical expertise. You're also entirely responsible for all your funds and actions. While you can call customer service when you run into any problems when using a good centralized exchange, there is zero customer support when using decentralized exchanges. For those who are new to crypto, it's generally considered preferable to begin the crypto journey with a reputable centralized exchange. As you gain more experience and expertise, you should explore a wide range of centralized and decentralized exchanges to find the exchanges that best suit your needs.